suppose this is a point A. Its coordinate is A1, B1. No hurt. Another point B, whose coordinate is A2, B2. So what will be the vector OA? So vector OA is A1I cap plus B1 j cap. What is going to be the vector OB? Vector OB is going to be A2 I cap plus B2 j cap. Okay. So if coordinate is known, then we can write the vector, and make sure that we are dealing with only two dimensions. That means we are having only x coordinate and y coordinate. Clear? So in future we will deal with three dimension, and there we will have three different coordinates for any point. In that case you have to take third coordinate also, that is x, y, z. Three coordinates will be there. And for z coordinate, that is along the perpendicular direction, in perpendicular to xy plane, we will have another axis, and that is z axis, and unit vector along z axis is k cap. So unit vector along x axis is I cap, unit vector along y axis is j cap, and unit vector along z axis is k cap. In that case, since we are dealing with two dimension only, for just because we are beginners, so we will deal with only two coordinates. Clear? So you can locate any vector. If the coordinate is known, we can represent the vector in this manner. Okay. Now what will be vector AB? So vector AB is known as displacement vector. Vector AB is known as displacement vector, and vector AB is vector OB minus vector OA. And vector AB is known as displacement vector, and vector, what is your vector OB? It is A2I cap plus B2 j cap minus A1 I cap plus B1 j cap. A1 I cap minus B1 j cap. Vector AB is. So if you solve it, we get vector AB is equal to I cap common A2 minus A1 plus j cap common B2 minus B1. This is your vector AB, and vector AB is known as displacement vector. That means if you are in position A initially, then you are in position B, you move from A to B, and since your movement is also a vector quantity, and that movement is known as displacement vector, you have displaced from position A to position B, and your vector can be written as, your displacement vector AB can be written as I into A2 minus A1 I cap in common, and j cap in common, B2 minus B1. This is your displacement vector. If you have moved from B to A, your coordinate will just here change. This term will get changed. So your vector BA, if you move from B to A, your vector is going to be OA, vector OA minus vector OB, and your result is going to be vector BA is going to be, if you solve it, you will get I cap A1 minus A2 plus j cap B1 minus B2, B1 minus B2. So your position vector BA or your displacement vector BA is given by this.